Pre-Natal Jing Workout Motivation 40,000 times. This product allowed me to work out more, with less stress, more motivation, get great pumps, and gave me energy to use to exercise more. It comes useful when I'm feeling down or have a lack of motivation, and the Jing is feelable in my body, almost as if to say like a cup of coffee. It lasts about 3 hours with me after listening to it in loop mode. I listen up to 30 minutes, and I find it well charged. It not only gives me energy, but the testosterone in it makes me feel vigorous, and I feel a sensation in my lower body. After a few days of use, it changed my attitude due to the testosterone. I feel more in touch with my masculine side, and it's even promoting a shade of brown hairs to my face, a beard. It works to say the least, but alas, I could go further on about how great this product is. I have use for a product like this, but not only would I concern my weight loss with this digital product, but my metabolism spiked a few times. I eat in the morning and listen to this audio. It makes me hungry when I listen for so long. Not sure why it affects me this way, but it does. If I ever needed a workout motivator, this would be it, because it's mostly the testosterone I feel, and I can squeeze about 1 rep when I'm curling. I'm very sensitive when it comes to tools and hope that I've explored a bit of this audio. I will no longer need it, but it was great to have it for the experience. I always use the max power variable, which in this is 40,000x. Those are my thoughts on the Pre-Natal Jing, Testosterone, and Workout Motivation Booster. Thank you.